Have you ever found yourself looking up at the sky, contemplating the incredible feat of engineering that enables a 200-ton aircraft to resist gravity and fly across continents and oceans? The secret behind this miracle is one of the most powerful machines ever built: jet engines. Unlike a traditional car engine which powers the wheels on the ground, the jet engine operates on an entirely different principle. It creates an immense thrust by accelerating the air backwards, allowing the aircraft to move with surprising speed and efficiency. The journey begins with the giant fan in front of the engine. This is a critical component, which plays an important role throughout the operation. Every second, this massive fan draws in hundreds of kilograms of air, driving it to the engine core. A significant portion of this air passes through the engine combustion chamber, while the remainder is directed to the heart of the engine for the combustion process. As the incoming air enters the engine, it undergoes a drastic change through several stages of compression. Each rotating blade squeezes the air tighter, resulting in a dramatic increase in pressure before reaching the combustion chamber. This highly compressed air is now ready for the next critical step in the process. Within the combustion chamber, air meets aviation fuel, which is injected into ultra-fin. When the hot gases pass through the turbine blades, they go through thousands of revolutions per minute. These turbines power a compressor and the massive front propeller via rotating shafts. After passing through the turbines, the remaining gases escape the exhaust nozzle at a high speed. It is the gases escaping at a fast speed that creates a force that pushes the aircraft forward. A high-pressure turbine extracts as much energy from hot gases as a high-pressure compressor can make it turn around and around. Next, the low-pressure turbine captures the excess energy to drive a massive fan located in front of the engine, which generates most of the engine's total thrust. The two turbines are connected to the fan and compressor via long concentric rotating shafts. For efficient operation, each component must be fully synchronized. The remaining exhaust gases then escape the nozzle at an incredible speed. According to Newton's third law, pushing the gases back creates an equal and opposite force that pushes the plane forward. In modern turbofan engines, the large front-mounted fan generates most of its thrust by forcing large amounts of bypass air around the engine core rather than blowing through it. Scene 15 to 220.